Dean Davison Live Weather Blogs.com meteorologist. Time for your Mid-Atlantic, Southeast, and Northeast outlook. And we're taking a look here first at the weather that's going on here. We have some weather going on here in the northern areas, such as Massachusetts, Connecticut, up into Vermont. In those areas, we're getting some heavy rain and thunderstorms there. Flood warnings here in the Midwest. We get some wraparound snow here in Michigan and northern Indiana and Ohio. This is actually coming up and actually increasing. We also have some coming into the upper Intermountain West, and what's going to happen there with the new low pressure system moving in is we're going to get some winter-like conditions here in the actual areas of the Intermountain West. And then we go here, Arizona and other areas like that have advisories for mainly wind, dry, fire weather that we may have out in the west. The flood warnings here in the green. So multiple different things going on here across the country. We're going to zoom in now. I'm actually going to zoom into some of these locations, specific areas, and give you some temperatures. As I'm looking at southeast, you can see temperatures: Philadelphia 49 degrees, 53 up in Scranton, 41 in Charlottesville, 35 down here in Roanoke, Greensboro 34 degrees. We're going to get into the freezing levels tonight. Virginia Beach 51, 59 on the Outer Banks, Charleston, South Carolina 44, Atlanta 39, Cincinnati 33. So you're getting the whole idea here with the heaviest rain now in the New York City region, furthest to the north, just west of Boston, in that corridor near Springfield, Massachusetts. So that's what we're getting going on right. If we spin this back a bit, you can see where the snow cover is here in the Cascades and in the Rockies. And we got some snow now up towards Wisconsin and Minnesota, the International Falls area. Now creeping also, we got some good snow now down where that banding is going on in Michigan. And some snow here towards the Memphis area where we have that snow in Tennessee. What an interesting time that was. You can see the apparent temperatures and whatnot there on these different areas that I'm going over. This is brought to you by KVOA.com. It's an interactive weather map. This is Rob Reno's workplace, and it's a great map. I like using this because I can see that you see where the cold area is, way up here in Churchill, Canada, 1 degree. Their apparent temperature of 14 negative. Very cold. And we're going to see if we go here towards Alaska. Usually there's some stuff that shows up here, but there's a snowpack up here in Upper Canada that will move down and cause some issues. You see, the extreme cold air up here in Canada is not far from moving down. We're getting these in waves coming down. When this cold air does hit the United States, along with a low pressure system, we're going to be in some major issues. And plus, we will probably see winter storms occurring. Let's take a look at the water temperatures in these areas. That can help you a little bit out, show you why when you get coast storms, it doesn't stay snow. You get these 50s and 60s out here in the ocean. And Pacific-wise, we're going to shoot off on here, and same thing, warm water in the Pacific. So you have to really get a good cranking storm to be going on. Satellite conditions right now, looking at like this. We got that one low that I'm talking about that's going to go into the Intermountain West. We have this upper level low with the storms here in the areas of Springfield, Massachusetts, and areas of that area. So the disturbance will move into the upper Midwest towards the east. Take a look at the synoptic maps. Upper low will move out, and we'll be seeing, as this moves out, the winter weather move out too. The trough comes in, maybe some flurries along the mountains of the Appalachians before the next system moves into the Midwest. And high pressure builds to the east before the weekend. And we got a low coming out here towards the Tucson area of Arizona. Some windy weather in the areas of the Intermountain West. And 3 to 7 day, something like this. The front will move to the east and continue that movement. As we go to day 5, high pressure really builds into the northeast, so low then moves into Texas, and we get some showers and thunderstorms with that happening. But this is a strong high, and it's also a strong low moving, so we're going to have a pretty good battle with some wind, ahead of the system, and possibly some high winds and isolated tornadoes along the front. And as it moves along, we get the next storm and the next two storms coming in. One comes across the east, the next one comes to the Midwest, clips through us, Alberta Clipper, and we know what that does. We might get some northwesterly flow winds that'll also be good for the lakes. So let's take a look at the Roanoke forecast in that area as we speak. Isolated showers, maybe some flurries, 35 degrees, 48 coming up on Wednesday, mostly sunny skies, mostly clear on Wednesday night, 29, 54 Thursday, beautiful sunny skies, straight through Friday, 59, 53 on Saturday, cold air stays in place here in the Roanoke Valley and Triad. As we move to the north towards the D.C. metro, mostly cloudy, 42 tonight, partly sunny, 52 on Wednesday, 53 Thursday, 59 Friday, and 54 Saturday, with lows in the 30s in the D.C. Baltimore area. As we move north to the Philadelphia and Delaware Valley, isolated showers tonight, 45, 54 Wednesday, 51 on Thursday, 54 mostly sunny on Friday, and 48 on Saturday, with lows in the mid-30s down towards the 32-degree mark. Well, nice. And as we expand to the west, with the Lehigh Valley and the Pocono, 49 partly sunny Wednesday, 47 Thursday, 49 Friday, and 44 on Saturday. Upper parts of the mountains, 20s, in the mid-20s at that. As we get towards the New York City metro, rain ending, then mostly sunny, 55 Wednesday, 52 Thursday, 53 Friday, and 48 on Saturday, with lows in the upper 30s and lower 40s to Boston and the Boston metro zone. Rain tonight, 60 degrees, 58. Low will probably come after will come. I've already seen 58 on Wednesday with scattered showers tapering off, with the temperatures dropping through the 50s. 37 Wednesday night, 46 sunny on Thursday and Friday, 43 on Saturday, with lows getting into the 20s by the end of the week. Alright, stay tuned to liveweatherblogs.com for all your latest weather information, and we'll keep you updated. Wait on the old news site. For liveweatherblogs.com, meteorologist Dean Davidson. Have a great evening.